have seen that what is transport in our body, and today we will see excretion. We are intaking many things and our body is using that things and then releasing waste, and this waste product is released out from our body with the help of some organs. Our body intakes mainly air, it also takes water and food. This air is taken with the help of nose and mouth, and after use it is also used by our body. Water is also used by our body. Food is also used by our body. Now after use, what happens? There is some waste product left in our body which need to taken out from our body. So there in this air, what is our waste product? This carbon dioxide is our waste product. And in water, what is waste product? There are two waste products from water. One is sweat and second is urine. And food, this food is after using, this is converted into stool. This food is converted into stool. The waste product from this is stool. This carbon dioxide is released out from our body with the help of lungs. This lungs help our body to remove this carbon dioxide. Now this sweat is released out from our body with the help of skin. Urine is removed out from our body with the help of kidney. And this is stool is removed out from our body with the help of large intestine. With the help of large intestine. So we have seen that how these lungs are removing in respiratory system, how this large intestine helps to remove the waste in digestive system, and this skin is very simple process. Now we will see this, how this kidney is removing waste from our body, and the process through which kidneys are releasing waste, that is coming under the system that is known as excretory system. Excretory system. Now what is this system? What is happening in this system? This is a system through which the waste product is released out from our body. This is a system through which our body get rid of waste. Get rid of waste. So this is excretory system. First you note down, then we will see how this excretory system works and what is happening, what are the organs included in this process. Note down. Now we will see how this excretory system works. What are the organs included in this excretory system? So in excretory system there are mainly 4 organs included in this excretory system. So one by one we will know each. So first one is the main organ of this system, that is kidney. So first important point about this kidney, that its shape is like bean. means this type of shape it is having, and they are two in number in our body. Second, it is situated behind the stomach and liver. Behind the stomach and liver. And what it is doing, in this kidney, the blood is carrying waste from all over the body with the help of vein and coming into the kidney. This kidney is straining out that waste material from that impure blood. Means you imagine that you are having a strainer through which you are pouring the tea. Tea leaves are remain upside and tea is coming down. Similarly, in our kidney also there are some strainers, million number of strainers. Impure blood is coming up and impurities remain upside only, and pure blood is coming down. And then this pure blood is circulated in the body, and the waste product is sent to the next organ. So this strain out the waste. Strain out the waste from blood. Now after this, second organ in this, first one is kidney, second one is ureter. Second one organ included in this excretory system is ureter. It is like pipe shape. It's shaped like pipe. Second, what it do, it takes the waste product from kidney to the bag. One bag is there, to that bag where the waste is collected, it is bringing from kidney to that bag. So it pass the waste liquid, and this waste liquid is urine. This waste liquid is urine. Third organ. Now third organ is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, it is a pouch-like shape in which urine is collected. Pouch-like shape in which liquid waste is collected. That liquid waste is known as urine. And our fourth and last organ of this system, that is urethra. And now this urethra is like a hole-like structure. And this urethra helps us to release out this liquid waste from the body. Help to pass the urine or liquid waste. This liquid waste is only urine. I hope you understand this much. Then we will see that how this excretory system works, how these four organs combine together and they work to purify the blood. So these four organs are there: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Note down this much. After this, we will see working. Now we will see that how this excretory system works. For this, look at the diagram. We know that in our body there are two bean-shaped structure behind the stomach. These two bean-shaped structure are known as kidney. So these two are kidney. Now what happened with this kidney? Two blood vessels are attached. One is vein and second is artery. So this is vein. This is vein. And we know that vein is a blood vessel which carries impure blood. So in this vein, what is present? Impure blood. So from all over the body, the blood is coming to this kidney with the help of this vein. Blood is coming and entering into this kidney. Now here what happened in this kidney? There are so many small strainer. Strainer means filter-like structure. So there are very small filters. This impure blood is entering into this filter, and impurity will remain upside of the filter and pure blood is coming down. For example, you can see, suppose this is filter, impure blood is entering and staining out. Impurity is left over here and pure blood is coming down. Now this pure blood is again coming out, and this pure blood is entering into second blood vessel. That second blood vessels are also attached to this kidney. This is second blood vessel. Now this second blood vessel are known as arteries. This second blood vessel is known as. Now blood is purified. Now it will proceed and go out in arteries and reaches to all parts of our body. And in this way this blood is purified. Now what about that waste which is present here in this strainers? This also need to get out from the body. So here from this kidney only, again there are one structure that is known as ureter. These ureters are present, and this ureters brings this waste from this kidney to a pouch like structure. Here is a pouch like structure which is known as urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. This pouch like structure is urinary bladder. Now from this kidney the waste liquid is coming down and collecting here in urinary bladder, and this pipes which helps this to bring it in this pouch, these pipes are known as ureter. These pipes are known as ureter, and at last when this pouch is full, then this sends a signal to our mind, an alarm to our mind, that this pouch is full, now you need to go to washroom. Then we are going to our washroom and releasing out the liquid waste, that is urine, and this hole is known as urethra. This hole is known as urethra. So this hole is excretory system. One more time, just revise it, that from all over the body impure blood is coming into this kidney. In kidney there are so many filters. They filter that impure blood, pure blood is coming out, again pure blood is sent out from this kidney in arteries, and these arteries are sending it to the all parts of the body. Now the waste product is coming down with the help of ureter and collecting into a pouch like structure that is known as urinary bladder, and when this bladder is filled, then we need to go to washroom for fresh. That urethra is releasing out the waste. So this whole is the process of excretory system. We are having two kidneys, so there is one benefit of these two kidneys, that if one kidney is not working or stops working, so we can be alive on the basis of two kidney also. Thank you. I hope you understand. Now it will be more clear from this diagram. As you can see, these blue lines are veins carrying impure blood, and this red line are arteries carrying pure blood. Now from this vein is carrying blood from all over the body to this kidney. From here it is bringing the blood to the kidney. Now in this many purifiers are there. They are staining out this impure blood, and pure blood is sending with the help of these arteries to the body parts, and whatever waste is left is going down with the help of this ureter and collected into this pouch like structure. This is urinary bladder. When this pouch like structure is filled with urine, that liquid waste, then it sends an alarm to our mind which tells that you need to go to washroom for fresh up. Then this liquid is coming out with the help of this urethra. And the best thing of this excretory system is that we have two kidneys. If one kidney is not working, then we have option B. Then second kidney is working, and human being can be alive on the basis with the help of one kidney only. This diagram is showing the clear position of kidney. As you can see, this is lungs and then liver. Here stomach is missing because behind the stomach these two kidneys are present. So it is behind the stomach, means our back side portion, and downside of the liver.